The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, Michael Zephyr, there. Sir, you can take your phone off mute. Now calling the matter of People versus Michael William Zer. This is ticket P1369304, one count drag racing passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Torres, P68242, here on behalf of Mr. Zer.
Hey, Mr. Zer, can you say your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Michael Williams there.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, the officers failed to appear. This is the bench trial. We're asking for a dismissal.
All right. The time is now 10:05 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you are all set for today with this matter, okay?
Okay. Thanks, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a good day. All right. Ms. Young,
Good morning.
good morning. I don't know which person spoke to you, but I got.
I did, Your Honor. We're not quite ready on that one. I just sent Madam Clerk a chat with respect to Ms. Young. Ms. Young, can you go back into the breakout room? I'm not done.
I know Ms. Young
I
needs to-
just spoke with someone, another guy.
Oh,
Yeah, she
And
spoke to the other attorney too. I'm trying to get her out of here. I know she has to go to work, Attorney Bossman.
I understand, and I'm also have experience with Ms. Young, and I spoke at her last action date. She actually had a valid driver's license until recently, and something went into default in between the time she was last in court and last in here. So I sent that to Madam Clerk, asking that those files be added to the hearing today. And I've also sent a similar request to Ms. Jansen. You give us just a short period of time longer, Ms. Young, I got a resolution for you that you're going to be able to take to the Secretary of State.
okay.
Okay. Can you hold patient for us, Ms. Young? They really are trying to get this together for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. We're gonna put you back in the room then. Uh-oh.
Okay. Do you want me to go to a breakout room?
Yeah, can you go back to the one you came from? Hit the dot in the corner of your phone
Room
Okay.
10.
and go to room 10 for me. Okay? Thank you, Attorney Bossman.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Courtney Wiley.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Are you Courtney Wiley?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Wiley, I have you checked in. I'm gonna put you in what's called a breakout room.
Okay.
Your phone, would you please lower your camera to chest level?
Do what?
Lower your camera to chest level. I'm gonna put you in what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you'll be on the screen by yourself. Nobody will be able to hear you nor see you. And you'll be able to talk with the attorney in private. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you. Me with the attorney in private.
Yeah, about your case and about your rights. You're gonna be there for a long time, Ms. Wiley, possibly over 2 hours. But please be patient. See, you frozen. Can you still hear me?
Yeah,
Froze up. Did you hear what I said?
I can hear you say I'm gonna be on her about 2 hours.
Yes, possibly over 2 hours. We had just a couple of attorneys to speak with a lot of people. But when you finish discussing your case and you decide what you're going to do today, leave the breakout room, press leave, and it'll bring you back to the courtroom. Understand?
Okay. Yes.
Once you come in the courtroom, you'll automatically be put into a waiting room, and that's where you will stay until the judge is ready to hear your case. So I'm going to send you the invitation to join the breakout room. Press join. Keep going, Mom. There you go. Where is she?
Hello.
Well, I haven't sent you the invitation yet, and you just went and joined any old room you wanted to. Okay, so
Oh, I'm
just,
sorry.
that's okay, it's not your, you didn't understand. I'm going to assign you to breakout room number 22. Okay, so just one, more, get to 22. Okay, do you see that invitation? Press join. You're on mute, I can't hear you.
It says join breakout room at the corner of my phone. So should I just go to that and press the number?
Yes,
Okay.
great, thank you.
Believe this is happening. What in the world?
Ms. Wiley, is there a reason you left the breakout room? Oh, Essence, Washington.
Pose.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Would you turn on?
Turn on the camera.
Yes, please.
I'm trying. Okay, I have it on.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. What time is your case for today?
10 o'clock.
8:45.
She needs to call the courtroom because she missed her cutoff time.
They told me 10 o'clock.
Who told you 10 o'clock, ma'am?
My lawyer, and the last time I had court, they told me to appear at 10 o'clock on February 8th.
So where's your lawyer?
It's 10:23 on top of that.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know. She should be in here.
Oh, she is not, and it's 10:23, Miss Washington. We need you to hang up and call the court. You need our phone number?
Call the court and say what? Am I supposed to reschedule?
Yes, ma'am, because you are late. Even if you were supposed to be here at 10 o'clock, it is now 10:23 a.m. No attorney has checked in on your behalf, and you are not here at this point in time. Miss Washington, I just advise you to please call our number. You ready to take it down?
Yes.
313-965-2293.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and hang up off of Zoom and give the court a call, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Are you ready to turn the phone on her?
We are ready on Miss Young.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rakia Young. This is ticket number SP 11324932. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number SP 11499266. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 of that same ticket is driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 128593352. One count drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 9049911. Drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1285921. One count speeding, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2 of that ticket is no proof of insurance. Count 3 of that ticket is failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. And ticket number SP 128593351. One count defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Rakia Young.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Young is going to waive her right to any further hearings or trials regarding these matters. There is a recommendation. She's going to plead guilty here and now or responsible, and I would stipulate to probable cause as to those matters being dismissed as part of the recommendations. And those are specifically that on SP 128-59351, that is a state matter. The state prosecutor has agreed to dismiss that count here on the plea to the city cases. The city cases are that the defendant would plead guilty to the no insurance misdemeanor on SP 128-59272. And we're asking that she be assessed a fine here. Also, that she would plead guilty to SP 1149261. That is a no insurance misdemeanor reduced to improper plate. And on SP 113-24932, the defendant will plead guilty as charged to failing to display a valid driver's license. We're ready.
All right. Ma'am, you heard the offer. You want to take advantage of it today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Young, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to, give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial before myself? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward, Ms. Young?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 26th of 2020. Were you driving a Buick vehicle in the area of Strasburg and Collingham Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you not have a valid, did you fail to display a valid operator's license on you at that time?
Yes.
Also drawing your attention to the date of March 5th of 2021, were you in the area of Dickerson and Kirchhoff in the city of Detroit driving a Buick vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you not have any car insurance that day?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
So at this time, you're welcome. The court is going to enter a plea to fail to display and one count to improper plates. That's an amended plea down. Ma'am, I know you're currently employed. Have you been paying on your tickets and stuff like that? Where are we at?
The tickets that, like I told my lawyer, I guess Mr. Buffman, when I had got my license, I thought all my tickets were cleaned out, and I haven't been, stopped since I had got my license last year in March. But I guess those tickets must have reoccurred that I was supposed to have been paid. But I have been paying on some of the tickets. Yes, I have.
Okay. So what I'm gonna
We
do
talked
today
about
is-
that, Judge. That's true. She did pay specifically for 2 separate counts for, she ate some points for, failure to stop. You paid that, and you paid one other, improper equipment case too. So we're working on it, Judge.
Okay, I know. I just didn't want to do too much on her.
Mhm.
I'm gonna charge $200 for the fail to display ticket. How long do you need? 30 or 60 days to pay that?
60 days would be fine.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until April 10th, 2023. On the remaining ticket, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines for you today, okay?
Thank you,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You may have a reinstatement fee on that one because that may be the ticket that you need to pay. So just make sure it's $45. When you go on the website, you'll be able to see that, okay?
Yes.
All right. You're all set, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
being
much.
kind. And thank you
Thank
for your
you.
patience this morning,
Thank
okay?
you. Everyone have a great day. Thank you, Mr. Boffman.
You
You're
too.
welcome. Bye.
All right.
Thank you. Yes. Oh my God.
Happy customer. Nice. I'll be right back, Your Honor.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. Wren, is there a reason you left the breakout room or you're in the courtroom?
My phone died. I'm sorry.
Okay, were you in the breakout room or waiting room?
I was in the breakout room.
Oh, you remember which number?
No, I wasn't. I was in the waiting room because I already spoke to the attorney and then I was just sitting in the waiting room.
You're gonna go back to the waiting room.
Can
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
Mr. Williams is in, I think, breakout room 19, and he needs to be pulled out. He doesn't know how to get out of there.
Okay.
Okay, I'll bring him out, Mr. Barry. Is there any reason you came back to the courtroom? Ms. Wiley, take your phone off mute, please.
I'm sorry. Hello, good morning.
Hi, is there a reason you came back to the courtroom?
Was I still supposed to be in the break room? He told me he was sending me out.
Okay, then you are in the right place now. You're gonna go to a waiting room. Which breakout room, Mr. Barry? 10, did you say?
I think he's in 19.
19, okay. Maurice Williams.
Yes.
All right. Try to bring him out to the courtroom.
Yes. Can y'all hear me?
Yes, Mr. Welch, did you speak with the attorney? Are you finished speaking with the attorney?
No, what the attorney say?
Have you discussed the attorney and decided what you're gonna do? Have you discussed your case with the attorney and decided what you're gonna do today?
No, it just clicked back in.
Madam Court Reporter, Mr.
Yeah.
Welch, I need a police officer on that one. So,
Okay. You want me to put him back in the breakout room or are you gonna dispose of it now?
the waiting room should be okay, I think.
Waiting room, okay. Thanks for,
Thank you. Yes.
okay, Mr. Welch, you're gonna go into a waiting room.
Okay.
And the same for DeAndre Wade.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Crystal, Ms. Prosecutor, should I have an offer for Mr. Wade?
I need a police officer to proceed.
Okay.
I put it in the Zoom chat, the same for Mr. Welch.
Mr. Barry, I was trying to pull Mr. Wade out, but he's. Mr. Barry?
I heard Mr. Wade does not, he was in the breakout room. I don't have an offer for him. And so.
Mr. Wade, I'm trying to pull him to the courtroom. I think Crystal is going to offer a dismissal. He's not paying attention, so would you please go in and ask him to come to the courtroom?
All right.
Thanks.
Where is he? Tell me again, please. What room is he in?
Number 21.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not dismissing the case. The police officer hasn't appeared is all. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Crystal. I apologize.
No, that's okay.
All right.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, Mr. Wade. Hold on one moment. Just keep your phone on.
Okay.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
uh, Ms. Westbrook does not appear on my docket, and I have an offer that makes reference to count 2. If I could know what that is.
Hold on 1 second, Attorney Beard.
Yes.
Ms. Wolf? You left the breakout room?
Excuse
Ms.
me?
Ms. Wolf, is there a reason that you left the breakout room?
I had lost connection. I had to come back in.
Okay, have you spoken with an attorney yet?
Yeah, she was in the waiting room.
Oh, the waiting room. Okay, I'm going to put you back in the waiting room.
She has spoken to the attorney.
All right, thanks.
Attorney Berry?
Yes.
Okay, what you need to know about Ms. Westbrook?
Well, I don't know how many counts she has, but the offer relates to count 2. And I don't know I have nothing else. He doesn't appear on my docket. And I don't know what count 2 is.
She has 3 on the docket. So count 1
Okay.
is driver while license suspended, count 2 is expired plates, and count 3 is no proof of insurance.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Westbrook. She's in. I don't know where she is. Okay.
You don't know where she is.
Oh, there she is. Okay, I got it. Ms. Westbrook is going to need help escaping the breakout room.
Okay, I'll pull her out.
Mr. Boffman, do you have Danielle Wilson?
Danielle Wilson, I
On
do.
your-
I have an offer for her. I just made a request of Miss Jansen for the offer. I got it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Your Honor, could you, when the time is right, call Kiera Williams? She's in distress about a son that she needs to pick up soon. It's a compliance case.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll ring her in right now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Of course. Ms. Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kiera Williams. This is ticket P 1337083, count 1, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, would you please recall this case in a moment? I'm receiving I'm sending some documents to the prosecutor. She indicates she has not received those. It'll only take a moment.
All right, hold on 1 second, Ms. Williams, okay? All right, I gotta put you back in the way just for a second. I don't know why.
Marcus Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Is there a reason you left the breakout?
I didn't even think I was still connected because I was signed in for like 2 hours maybe, and I'm at work. And
Right.
talking
Remember,
about the Wi-Fi.
Mr. Williams, remember I told you to expect to be here for over 2 hours.
Yes, ma'am. You did.
Yeah. So what's your problem? Or I shouldn't say what's your problem. My apologies.
We're
What's
ready actually on that case. He's just gonna ask for a next action date at trial date.
Is that Mr. Williams, Mr. Bachman?
For Marcus Williams, that's true.
Okay. Leave him out?
I wouldn't mind helping him right now.
Okay.
You ready for Mr. Williams?
We are, Your
Williams,
Honor.
I gotta see your face though.
All right. Hold on. One minute. All right, I'm
All right.
here.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Devon Williams. This is ticket SX 4151939. Count 1, limited access, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Ticket SP 1368418. Count 1, reckless driving. And ticket number 2 of that is no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your full name for the record, sir?
Yes, Marcus Williams.
Mr. Williams, can you place yourself in the camera so we can see you, please? Thank you. Thank you and good morning, Judge. We're pleading not guilty today. We're asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right, sir, if you can raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you want, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Goffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trial and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
April 21st. April 21st via Zoom. It'll be at 9 a.m. Your bond will be set at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you April 21st, 2023. No, you're gonna have to be still for that, okay?
Mhm.
All right, Mr. Williams, good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
See you then. All right,
Thank you, brother.
bye-bye.
We are now ready on Kiera Williams, Your Honor. I do have a recommendation.
Ms. Williams? Did you need to talk to her, or are we good, Attorney Goffman?
No, we don't need to speak. There's a dismissal. You don't object, Ms. Williams, do you?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
You don't object to having this case dismissed against you today for the document that you provided?
No, that would mean that I wouldn't have any future court dates, right?
Not for this.
Okay. Nope, I'm all for that.
Okay.
All right, now recalling the matter of the people versus Kiera Williams. This is ticket P 1337083, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record once again, starting with counsel.
Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Kiera Williams.
Judge, there is a recommendation. It's a stipulation to dismiss the instant case. I would give my stipulation of probable cause for the stop in exchange for that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea, is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice based on valid documentation. Ma'am, make sure you always have valid docs and they're in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Attorney.
You're welcome.
Who had Damon Woods? I want to bring him in so I can get the officers out of here.
I have,
Okay,
he's mine, Your Honor.
okay. Damon Woods? All right, I need you to take your hat off for me too, okay?
Sorry about that.
No problem. Now calling the matter of the people versus Damon Woods. This is ticket 4352216. One count, no operator's license on person. Ticket 379289. Drove while license not valid. We're on the docket for today. Ticket number P1347455. Count 1, violation of the basic speed law and or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, failure to yield right of way. And ticket number P 1347445, one count lead scene of an accident. Property damage, count 2, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Over Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Woods.
Damon Woods.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to 2 counts of failure to display, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, so you want to take advantage of that offer today? Yeah, unmute yourself, sir.
Unmute.
Sorry about that, yes.
Okay, all right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Woods, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm gonna take you back to the date of April, the 28th of 2022. Were you in the area of Hilldale and Cadwell Streets in the city of Detroit driving a GMC vehicle?
At the time, as I said, my last court date, at the time, no, I wasn't. Me and my wife was going through something at the time. So I had trusted someone else to allow me to store the truck at their property. And when I came back from Grand Rapids, I was told by my ex-wife that I had a court date with you guys.
All right, so what you want to have is a bench trial. So you're gonna have to wait, Mr. Woods, until I finish my docket, and then we'll have a bench trial, okay?
So we're doing the bench trial. I thought I was just
Yes, because you just told me that you weren't driving the car. So part of the plea is that you were driving the vehicle, so I can't take it now.
Yeah,
So you just gotta wait till the end of my docket, okay?
Okay.
What can we do next? Sorry, officers, we're gonna have to have a bench trial.
How about D'Angela Warren?
D'Angela Warren?
Yes.
Let me do it. Okay. Then I'll do it.
I am here.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Now calling the matter of the people versus D'Angela Warren. This is ticket number P 1368578. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Warren. State your full name, Ms. Warren.
D'Angela Warren.
Your Honor, Ms. Warren would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to expired plates, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, ma'am. With that being said, I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of July 4th of 2022, in the area of Joy Road and Rose Line in the city of Detroit, Ms. Warren was driving a GMC vehicle that had expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well. Uh-oh. What are these? Oh, this is DeAndre Wade. It's not even her. All right. The court is going to enter a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter one count of expired plates. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for expired plates is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay fines like that. Is that going to be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you until February 22nd to make this payment, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. DeAndre Wade. DeAndre Wade.
Yes.
All right, you need to get someplace a little quiet so I can call your case, okay?
Pardon me?
Get someplace where it's not a lot of beeping behind you, okay?
All right. Give me 15 seconds.
Okay. Okay. Unmute.
Hello.
Okay, just stand still right there. It won't be long, Mr. Wade. Just hold tight right there. Now
All right.
calling the matter of the people versus DeAndre Lamar Wade. This is ticket SP 1296533. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number SP 1296942. 1 count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Wade.
All right, Mr. Wade, state your name for the record, please.
DeAndre Wade.
All right, the time is now 11:05 a.m. No officer having appeared. Do you have a motion, Attorney Berry?
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no complaining witness.
All right, court is going to grant that. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. They can refile these if they want to, Mr. Wade, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
What we doing next?
Monique Wilkerson, Your Honor.
Monique Wilkerson?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Monique Wilkerson. This is ticket number P 1285744. Count 1. Let me see. Hold on, Ms. Wilkerson. You got quite a few tickets. Let me see what's actually on the docket. She only had 3 on the docket. Okay. All right, count 2. Nope. Those are all civil infractions. Never mind. Ticket number P 1286629. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1374848, drove while unlicensed. Also calling B ticket 1213352. Count 1, nuisance. Ticket number SP 136022412. Drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 13602-411, expired plate. Ticket number SP 1359721, stop street or intersection failed to stop. Count 2 of that ticket is drove without due care or caution. Count 3 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Wilkerson. State your full name, Ms. Wilkerson.
My name is Monique Wilkerson.
Your Honor, of that group of tickets, there are 3 on the docket. The offer of the people is to allow her to enter a plea to expired plates. And if I understand correctly, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Let me see what stuff is on the docket. She had some tickets and warrant status. That's what I called some. All right, so she just has this ticket. Well, she only has an offer for the 3 tickets. So she's gonna have to come back, I guess. What's our pending date for that? Whew. Like this. She has some tickets. All right, you want to handle your tickets and warrant status today or no?
Yes, ma'am.
She has, okay. She has, tell her in warrant status, actual warrant status, she has no insurance. No insurance. She has a drove while license suspended. And a nuisance ticket. The rest of them are civil infractions. She said she could come back. All right. Okay. You know, the best thing is probably, Ms. Wilkerson, is for you to get a whole new date and try and handle all these all together at once, okay? Because we're gonna, if you have quite a few tickets and you don't want to keep pleading to different tickets at different times, okay?
So that's gonna postpone the process of possibly getting my license longer. 2022, I paid maybe $1,100 to lift the warrant.
I know, you got so many tickets in default that you didn't take care of. See, when you don't take care of them and they just sit there and just, because this not even off, you still owe about $1,000 left on tickets, not even including these.
That's what I've accumulated this year because I've had to take my child to school with no plates and no registration. And I'm having a
The risk you take. Let me see if I can get you an offer. All right, hold tight. Let me see if I can get you an offer today, but you're gonna have to hold on, okay? Let me get through some of these other folks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room so that they can talk to you, okay?
Okay.
Can you touch the edge of your phone at the top and put yourself in breakout room number 3, please? In the left corner, you see, if you tap a little, the 4 dots will come up.
Yes, breakout room 3.
Okay, thank you. I have a bench meeting in 45 minutes, just so y'all know.
We're about to do this. We're
Okay.
ready.
All right, I'm ready. We need to move. I'm not telling y'all, we gotta move expeditiously. 'Cause I got a meeting for work.
Understood.
All right, y'all. Who we got next? We got some quick ones.
Anybody you pull out, Your Honor. Let's go.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna do Frank Williams, so whoever has Frank Williams.
All right. That would be me.
Okay. Frank Williams?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Frank Edward Williams. This is ticket P1361592. Count 1, loitering in a place of illegal occupation with intent to engage. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 3, tinted windows, front passenger or driver side. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Frank Edward Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. Our plea is not guilty. We're asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right. If so, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm set this for a bench trial on the date of April 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, the next person is Laura Wood. Ms. Wood?
Unmute.
Oh, I'm sorry, I accidentally muted you back.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was muted. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Laura Wood. This is ticket number P1358304. Count 1, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Wood. State your full name, Ms. Wood.
Laura Grace Wood.
Your Honor, as it turns out, Ms. Wood has valid insurance at this time, and she has, she's able to show that she has a proper plate.
All right. At this time, now does she have insurance as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure the next time you come visit us in the state of Michigan, in the city of Detroit, everything is good, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, you as well.
All right, thank you. Dior Welch is next. Dior Welch, Mr. Welch.
Yes.
Sit all the way up for me, okay? Sit all the way up
Okay.
like this is court. Let's pretend. We're
Okay,
live on YouTube,
sure.
right? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dior Welch. This is ticket P1379536. One count driver's license never acquired. Also calling ticket number 410118. One count of trespassing. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. State your name for the record.
Dior Welch.
Thank you, Mr. Welch. Judge, it's trial, and it was set for 9 a.m. It is now 11:16. No complaining witness, moved to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, don't think, because I think it was only one set for a bench trial today. Let me check on the other ticket. I don't think that was it.
Oh, let me look that up, Your Honor.
All right, on the ticket number 410118, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for the officer not being here. On the other ticket, it is. This is a show cause ticket, ticket number P1379536. is a show cause ticket for driver's license never required. Mr. Welch, do you have your license now?
Yes,
Is it valid?
yes, it's valid.
Okay, look it up. 1 second.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And for arraignment purposes as to that matter, we will stand mute and ask that a not guilty plea be entered here.
All right, not guilty plea, it will be entered on behalf of your client. All right, he does have a valid license, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, Mr. Welch, make sure you keep everything up to date and valid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Okay, you too. Y'all do the same.
All right, bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
So is it the pending? So I think
Joanna Williams is next.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Joanna Williams. This is ticket P 11000854. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling tickets number P 1144538. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your full name, Ms. Williams.
Joanna Williams.
Your Honor, Ms. Williams would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the no insurance count and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Okay, what happened to your participation in Street Outreach Detroit, Ms. Williams?
We lost contact with each other. When I went to court, they was telling me that the next day I could go and apply for my licenses for the purposes of the job. So I did go right down to Secretary of State, and I was told I still couldn't get them because there was another ticket in another courtroom. So I called Mr. McCullum to let him know that, and he said there was nothing that they could do about that. I would have to contact, that court to get that straightened out. And the majority of this is just because of homelessness. So I'm not in one place collecting notices and stuff like that. I've recently got a place through my job. That was one of the criteria for that program, to find housing, meditate, employment. So I got employment, and through my job, because of my situation, I'm a manager of an apartment complex. Once the owner had found out about my housing situation, they did give me an apartment, so that temporarily resolved my homeless situation so I can get a permanent thing. And yeah, I think he probably lost a little hope in me when I, was able to get the license. So I just kind of been stuck, and I really, really, really would like to get my license resolved, because again, the job I have, which seems to be helping me out pretty much, I have to check rent boxes. the owner's working with me because I told him about my upcoming court date, 6 months back when I got it scheduled. So he's trying to hold my position for me until I can get it worked out. So I'm getting rides with coworkers and so forth like that. So I just want to know what it is I can do to get a legal license and, be legally able to drive and, move this situation behind me.
Okay, we can just move forward with the plea then if you want to. Could you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial on these matters?
yes,
Understanding all of these things, that you still want to move forward?
yes,
All right, ma'am, I want to take you back to the date of July 26th of 2020. Were you in the area of St. Mary's and Tireman Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
yes,
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
At this time, the court's going to enter one count of improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, I'm going to waive your costs and fines today, but you need to pay reinstatement fees, okay? So I can't waive
Oh my
those,
God,
but you have
thank
some
you.
reinstatement- You're very welcome. If you have some
Thank you so
reinstatement fees- You're welcome, Ms. Williams, okay? I
All right.
understand you're working really hard. When I see that on the back of a ticket, I know that there's been some stuff going on. So, but you
Yes,
gotta pay those
ma'am.
reinstatement fees. That'll help you get your license back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, Ms. Williams, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
All right, bye-bye. Oh my.
I don't know why it's having a hard time admitting this person.
Is that Koshonda?
No, I'm bringing her in right now. Ms. Wolf?
Yeah.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Cassandra Woods. This is ticket SP 1360257, count 1, drove while unlicensed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1360242, count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Wolf.
Lashonda Wolf.
Your Honor, prosecutor recommends dismissal. We have no objection.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, the reason why they did so is because you have a ticket in default already that you need to pay for, okay? So you're gonna pay for that ticket and all the other tickets will be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. Yes,
Where do I have that ticket, or who do I have that?
it's with me, but it's already a default, so since you didn't show up to the court hearing, you must have had some prior court hearings that you didn't show up to. When you don't do that, then they go into what's called default, civil infraction. That means that you just have to pay for that ticket. So that ticket is a disregard signal, red or amber. I think it has 2 points with it. And it's a fine of it looks like it's $130 or somewhere close to that you need to pay, okay?
Okay, so if I pay that ticket, then all the other ones will get dismissed.
Yeah, oh, they've already been dismissed. You just need to pay that ticket. So I dismissed those already.
Okay, so how do I gotta go to the Secretary of State for that, or do
No, you
y'all?
come down to 36th District Court or go on our website at 36districtcourt.org and take care of it that way, okay?
Okay,
Okay, just either go online, look up your ticket, look up your name and your license, or you can physically come down here and take care of it as well, okay?
okay,
All right, Ms. Wood, good luck to you, okay?
thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Sure.
William Woods?
Yes.
All right. Did you talk to him, Attorney Barry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did, yes,
All
I
right,
did.
now calling the matter of the people versus William Woods. This is ticket P13142339, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Woods.
Yes, William Woods.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
I apologize, Your Honor. Does the court have the offer? I believe it's in proper place.
You are currently insured, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
At this time, the
Okay.
court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, at that traffic stop, you had a couple of tickets that were warned and dismissed. Make sure you abide by all the laws of the state of Michigan, okay?
Yeah, sure will.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you.
Did you do Maurice Williams?
Yes, ready, Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams, press *6 on your phone, please. *6.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Maurice Williams. This is ticket SP 1374111, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, count 2, defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your full name, Mr. Williams.
My name is Maurice Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams will require a jury trial on these matters and will need the appointment of an attorney by the court.
All right, sir. I'm gonna need you to call the courtroom when you get off the phone. And then I'm gonna have you come back for a pre-trial date to make sure you have an attorney in place in 30 days, okay? So that's gonna be March 8th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set it for a pre-trial. That way I can make sure whatever jury trial date I pick works for counsel that's assigned to you. You ready to
I have
take
to pay
down?
for counsel?
Huh?
I'm sorry for this. I have to pay for counsel also?
Well, it's a misdemeanor. They'll provide you with counsel if you can show that you have a need to be able to, not, that you can't afford one. They'll provide counsel for you.
Well, I wouldn't need counsel provide because I used to have Michael Courtney and he's deceased. But I would like for, yes.
Sorry to know that. For the record, Harry Bachman.
Oh, it's okay. All right, Mr. Bachman, you got thrown off by the fact that he said the attorney had passed away.
Yes, Michael
Yeah.
Courtney.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Williams, though, you have the right to have an attorney during these proceedings. And what I'm saying is if you want an attorney appointed and you cannot afford one, the court will provide one for you. But you have to call the court in order for us to get some information so that we can reach out to the people who provide counsel for those who can't afford it. So if that's what you want, I'm gonna give you our courtroom number so you can do it. Is that what you want, or
Yes,
you wanna
ma'am.
try and find your own counsel?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 313
Yes, ma'am.
965
Huh?
2293.
That's the same number when I just came from down there this morning. Okay, for counsel. Okay,
It's my
thank you
courtroom
for
number, it's
counsel.
my direct courtroom number. You're gonna have a pretrial date on March 8th at 8:30 a.m. so I can make sure counsel has been appointed to you, okay?
March 8th at, what time again, ma'am? I'm sorry.
8:30 a.m.
8:30. Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
All right,
Yes.
there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Call the courtroom, okay?
Oh, I'm about to call right now. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Warren?
Hello?
All right, you gotta pull over if you're driving.
Yep.
All right, so pull over when you get pulled over. I'm gonna call your case on the record, okay?
Oh, I'm pulling over right now as we speak.
Okay.
If you can you give me 10 seconds?
Yep.
Yep. Awesome. Awesome. As soon as this guy gets out of my way. Great. Okay, so I am ready to go.
All right.
Yep.
You know, I can still see your background, right? There we go. To a stop. All right. Take the toothpick out your mouth, sir. Now calling the
I'm sorry.
matter of the people versus Garrett Wynn. This is ticket number X4022679. This is count 2, no operator's license on person. Also count 1, improper lane use. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Where Attorney Bachman called. Attorney Bachman, you spoke to him earlier.
Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. Again, your name, please.
Mr. Warren?
Mr. Wren,
Yes,
state your name one more time.
Garrett Wren.
Thank you. Mr. Wren presents today with valid and current compliant documents. There's a stipulation to dismiss. I give a stipulation of probable cause for the recommendation here, Your Honor. Oh, no, I'm sorry. And then on the state case, there's a state case. He's going to plead to the reduced count of limited access 1 to 5 over, and that is 0 points. He'll pay a fine here today, and we're asking the court to close both cases. He did present with a valid license.
Thank you so much. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of February 12th, 2022, in the area of I-94 and M10 in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wren was driving a Lincoln vehicle and did do limited access speed 1 to 5. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 1 to 5 over limited access. Count 2 of this ticket will be denied will be dismissed without prejudice. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So I'm going to have it due no later than February 22nd, 2023. Okay?
Okay. Thank you very
All
much,
right.
Your
You're
Honor.
all set then. All right. Thank you so much for your patience today. You're all set. You can go ahead, log off, and continue to be safe out there. Okay?
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. All right. Wilkerson. I don't know who has that one. Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus John Lamar Wilkerson. This is ticket number P 1269776. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter, and Mr. Wilkerson is on the telephone. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you announce your name to the court, please?
John Wilkerson.
Your Honor, I would give credit to the good Corporal Mark Robinson. He did appear for the purpose of trial this morning. I believe he indicated that because there was not a sufficient recollection to conduct a trial here, that the people would be dismissing on our stipulation of probable cause. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your honesty, because I did not have that officer checked in this morning. So I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice because the officer has no recollection for the officer. All right. You're all set, Mr. Wilkerson.
Okay, thank you.
You too. Have a great day.
All right, you too.
Courtney Wiley.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Courtney Elaine Wiley. This is ticket P 1230327. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1230328. Count 1, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1274847. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP 1324697. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, expired plate. And ticket number SP 1341589. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while licensed drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3 is drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, unmute yourself. State your name for the record.
Courtney Wiley.
Thank you. We're here for pretrial. There's a recommendation. The defendant is going to plead guilty here to, looks like 2 of the counts are guilty and or responsible, and that a number of counts are being dismissed. I would stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals here. Thank you.
All right, ma'am. Do you want to move forward with these pleas today?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk?
Yeah.
Oh, you got 2 civil infraction tickets that she's gonna be pleading to, is that correct?
There's 1 expired plate. So if that's a civil infraction, that response is yes. And then the 1 speeding. So I would stipulate to the facts contained on the 4 corners of the complaint for each of those, Your Honor, for the purpose of the plea here today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And do you also stipulate to probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, so stipulated.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of responsible to 11 to 15 miles over speed, as well as 1 count of expired plates. Ma'am, the 11 to 15 miles over speed is a $150 ticket. The expired plates is a $145 ticket. That brings our total up to $295. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yeah.
You sure?
If I can get a little bit longer.
I know. How much more time do you need, Ms. Wiley?
Probably like 30 days and I can get it paid.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days,
Yes.
okay? All right. I'll
Yes,
give you
ma'am.
until, oh, no problem. I'll give you until March. March 13th, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have those tickets paid by then, okay?
Yes.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, ma'am. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Thank you. Have a great
All
day.
right, have a good day. You too, ma'am, okay? All right, I got Danielle
Yes,
Wilson. Ms.
We're
Wilson?
ready.
yes,
Okay, there we go. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Danielle Jennifer Wilson. This is ticket SP 125868872. This is one count of drove while license suspended. Up here, are you walking? What you doing, man?
sitting, I'm about to sit down.
All right, yeah. Driving while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Daniel Wilson.
Before we move forward, Your Honor, I'm not sure if you read onto the record SP 139-62471.
No, I only have one. Oh, okay. She added those. Okay. Also calling SP 139-6247, count 1, disregard traffic control device, and count 2 of that ticket is no proof of insurance.
Thank you. We are waiving more formal reading of the information complaint and stand mute for arraignment purposes, Your Honor. And we would thank the court and the prosecutor for picking up those defaults. They are from October of 2022. And I would make the record by saying the defendant actually appeared for arraignment on these matters on October 4th of 2022. So we felt like these defaults were entered in error, and fortunately the prosecutor agreed and has made them part of our plea deal today, Judge. The defendant will plead guilty here to failure to display on the driver's license count and to improper plate on the misdemeanors, the balance being dismissed here. She's been advised.
All right, you want to take advantage of this offer today?
Yes,
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? Do you understand that?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
yes, I do.
All right. Now, Attorney Bachman, I do not see a expired plates. I have a disregard traffic control device and no proof of insurance.
Right, so that would be no proof of insurance reduced to improper plates. I misspoke, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, reading from that, to establish a factual basis on the date of October 24th, 2022, in the area of Puritan and Prairie Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wilson was driving a Jeep vehicle and it had improper plates, expired plates on it. Also, Ms. Wilson, I want to take you back to the date of October the 2nd of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Myers and Orange Line in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have your license? Was it suspended at the time?
no, it was not. The judge had just unsuspended it the day before. I was on my way to Secretary of State to get it.
So it didn't reach the
I was
Secretary
on-
of State's office yet, did it?
No, I was on my way to Secretary of State when he pulled me over.
Yeah.
May I?
I know, no, counsel, that's actually good enough because she went to court the day before and she still was driving on a suspended license, even though it wasn't.
Okay.
So even though it wasn't,
I get it.
the court had unsuspended it. It doesn't get unsuspended by the court. Secretary of State's office has to do it. Okay, you understand that, Ms. Wilson?
Yes.
All right.
I'm satisfied with that factual basis.
And the
Thank you.
court is no problem. The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to amended to fail to display and one count amended to expired, expired plates. Ma'am, the fine for expired plates is $145. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay it. Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna give you until February 22nd, 2023 to have that paid. On the remaining ticket, I'm gonna waive your costs and fines today, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you may have reinstatement fees. I didn't waive those, but I waived the cost and fines, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. All right, I see it's like 2 people left in the breakout rooms. Are we ready on them too?
Yes, Ms. Westbrook.
I have a Monique Wilkerson and Julia Williams. Are we ready on those 2 folks?
Ready on Ms. Wilkerson. Monique Wilkerson.
Bring everybody out. Oh, Miss Wilkerson was the one we had to go back in there and talk to, okay? That was a new offer. Okay.
And there was a Miss Westbrook.
Did her already.
Okay.
Ms. Wilkerson, did they talk about the new offer for you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the new offer is that you can plead to 1 count of improper plates. The other count is a 12-month delayed sentence on the nuisance charge. What that means is that as long as you get no new tickets in a 12-month period of time, that case will be dismissed. And 1 count of responsible to an expired plate. That's the new offer.
I just have one question.
Okay.
The nuisance charge is for my dog.
It is.
Okay.
Yep. It was done back almost a year ago.
Yes, ma'am.
2 years ago now. It would have been August 8th of 2021. It's for something that happened with your dog.
Okay, and you said as long as I get no more tickets.
That case will be dismissed. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let me handle Miss Julia Williams first. Miss Wilkerson, just put yourself on mute and I'll come right back to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Miss Williams, Julia Williams. Unmute yourself for me, ma'am. There you go.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Julia Williams. This is ticket P 1312539. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your full name for the record, Ms. Williams.
Julia Williams.
Your Honor, the recommendation is for dismissal.
Yes. All right. At this time, the court is going to grant that. That's because you paid the other ticket off that you had, ma'am, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court's going to dismiss this ticket without prejudice. You are all set, okay?
All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
Mhm.
All right, Ms. Wilkerson, I'm ready on yours. I'm gonna recall your case. All right, recalling the matters of the People versus Monique Wilkerson. This is ticket number SP 1374845. 1 count, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1374843. This is one count drove while unlicensed. Ticket number SP 1285744, count 1, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Let me make sure these are the ones that she dismissed today. Oh, it's in the file. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1286629. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, obstructed vision. B ticket 1213352. Count 1, nuisance. Ticket number SP 136024411, expired plate. Ticket number SP 135972111, stop street or intersection failed to stop. Also calling SP 135972113, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 136024412, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name for the record, Ms. Wilkerson.
Monique Wilkerson.
All right. It's my understanding you want to take advantage of the offer today. Is that correct, Ms. Wilkerson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
What will it put me in standing with getting licensed in the future?
Let me tell you this, Ms. Wilkerson, you got a ton of tickets. And some of these tickets have already gone onto your record. I'm trying to clear up as best as possible. I can't give you that type of advice. I feel like you need some additional advice on these matters. I might have to have you come back for another day so that you can, because I don't know the ramifications of how it affects your license. That's not my domain, unfortunately. I just take care of the tickets that you have. And right now, it looks like you're taking care of 6 of them. I know I called a lot more on the record. It appears that some of your tickets are in default already and are not being removed from default. So the only tickets today that you will be handling are, let's see, expired plates, no proof of insurance, the nuisance ticket, no insurance misdemeanor. Drove while license suspended. And drove while unlicensed. And drove while license not valid or improper. The rest of your tickets went into default already. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets in default. So you will have to pay those off, imagining they affect the ability to get your license back. And then the rest of the tickets, you can take care of, or you can ask for a bench trial and see which officers come.
So the money that's paid on my tickets, is the money in default as well?
No, so if you paid on a ticket, that ticket would be closed. So I can see that you paid on some of your tickets. So some of your tickets are currently closed because you've taken care of them. But these are the remaining tickets that are open still, it looks like.
Okay.
So
No.
I don't know.
What? Unmute, Miss So,
How you want to move forward today, ma'am? You want a bench trial, see what officers come, or you want to take care of this today?
No, I would like to take care of it today.
So after we finish, what you can do is you can go online and see what tickets remain open, okay? And then you can try and take care of them based off of what they're letting you know will interfere or affect your being able to get a license, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. First, I'm going to take you back to the date of, let's see, yes. I want to take you back to the date of June 7th of 2022. Were you driving a Jeep vehicle at that time in the area of Pembroke and Ferguson in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, ma'am.
All right. Also, taking your attention back to the date of August 8th of 2021, are you familiar with the area of 15099 Hartwell in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
All right. And did you have a dog there at that time?
Yes.
And did he cause some type of nuisance, acting in a behavior? Maybe he got loose or something like that in the neighborhood and was running around?
It's possible, yes.
Okay. Do you remember what happened? Why you got a ticket for it?
No.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta, because here's the problem. I have to know that you know why this is. I know you want to resolve all these, Ms. Wilkerson.
I no longer have the dog because my dog was troublesome. He was very defensive. I've had multiple accusations against him. I wasn't present during that accusation. It was only a minor that gave the police report, and I gave them my name, which is how I became accountable for that incident.
It was your dog though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and it was alleged that they participated in some menacing or nuisance behavior. If it was a report then about him doing something, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And then reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of July 22nd of 2022 in the area of Du Bois and East Jefferson in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wilkerson was driving a Jeep vehicle that had expired plates. All right. Satisfied, counsel?
satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, hold on, let me sign on to my meeting because I ain't gonna make, give me 1 second. at this time, so the expired plates, you're gonna have a fine on that one, okay? That's $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'll make that due on February 22nd of 2023. All right, so I'm not gonna give you any more fines and costs because you need to come down here and get a printout of everything else that you owe, okay? Once you take care, ask them, go to the Secretary of State's office first. Ask them what tickets you need to pay those, and then work your way, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 145. On this ticket is gonna be due February 22nd, 2023. Count one. Now you do have to come back for a review in a year for the dog, okay? So I'm gonna
Yes,
have
ma'am.
that. I'm gonna have that date a year from now. Like I said, no cost of fines on that one, okay? I'm gonna waive the cost of fines on that one. You're gonna come back on February 8th of 2024 at 8:45 a.m., okay? They'll send you out some documents about that, okay?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
on the last ticket, the no insurance misdemeanor, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on that as well. You may have some reinstatement fees you have to pay for. Like I said, come get a printout to see. We did take care of some of these tickets today, but you still have some, okay? You're gonna be able to get your license. It just may not be as quickly as possible, but I hope you understand the lessons and the importance. And I know it's expensive to be a city driver. I get it. So, but you gotta make some ways, okay? And be able to do it, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, there's nothing else. You're all set, okay?
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you, okay?
Yes, bye-bye. I can leave the
Yeah, you
courtroom.
can leave. Go ahead and leave court. You're all set, okay? I know
Yes,
Attorney
thank you.
Atkins, we're gonna have a trial now. He didn't make a factual basis, so I'm gonna give counsel some time to talk to his client about the trial. I forgot about you. All right, Mr. Woods, I'm gonna put you in the room with your attorney so you can talk about your bench trial for today.
Okay.
I'll put you on room number. There you go. We went to room 15. Attorney Baldwin, look in the chat, please. I'm gonna send you a message.
Okay.
See what I put?
Join me, Mr. Boffman.
Of course. Where are we going? Room two? Room two, yeah? 15, okay.
The person who just checked in on the iPhone, what is your name? The person on the iPhone, please take your phone off mute. The person who just called in, please take your phone off mute.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Woods is ready to accept the offer, Your Honor. He misunderstood and answered the court's inquiry incorrectly and
Okay.
trying to explain things that had no relevance.
All right. Recalling the matters of the people versus Damon Woods. This is ticket number 379-289. One count drove while license not valid. Also calling ticket number 435-216. One count no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 1347455. Count 1, violation of a basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, failed to yield right of way. Also calling ticket number P 1347445. Count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Woods.
Damon Woods.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods would avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to 2 counts of failure to display.
All right, is that true, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Woods, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in either one of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 28th of 2022. Were you driving a GMC vehicle in the area of Hillsdale and Cadwell Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving in that area, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter 2 counts. Failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. All right, sir. The fine for both of these tickets is gonna be $200 based on my reading of the tickets. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days, sir? That's gonna be $400 total.
I'll take 30 days.
All right. All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than March 8th, 2023. Okay, sir, don't do this behavior anymore. I'm reading the ticket now. I don't know how true it is, but just don't do this if it is, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'm gonna amend both of these tickets to fail to display, okay? And then the remaining tickets called on the record today will be dismissed, okay? You are all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, have a good day. All right, you're all set, Mr. Woods, okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and make these payments, okay? All right, I think that's